Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram chats from both sides. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select the conversation. So let's suppose I want to delete these messages. So let me select that message. So here you can see different options. You simply need to click on unsend. So now I'm going to do with the other message as well. Click on unsend, and now I'm going to show you from my other profile that these messages are now not available. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.